Hello everyone, welcome back. And this time I have thought of creating a new series for just 3 days. And this is a series on Heal Your Heart. Yes, Heal Your Heart. So now that we are just like 3 days away from a new month, and what great can be for this 3 days, we can have some insights or we can evaluate to know that what can our new month be like, a new start where we can heal our heart and try to get a new thing in our life. How are you all doing? How is everything going around? Great. Happy to know that everyone around here is great, happy, and are living to their fullest. Your Heart, the series, will be in 3 days, which I will be conducting on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The first day of Heal Your Heart will be about you knowing your own power, about you knowing and connecting to your own self, awakening your inner strength. Because whatever we need, we already have. It's not that we are diving for something which we don't have. It's all inside us, but we just need to connect to ourselves. So, at the end of the first day, you will realize the freedom and the prosperity within yourself. The second day will be all about forgiving and healing. Forgive, let go. We were just born like a clean slate, and at that point of time, it was very easy for us to let go. If something wrong would have even happened in our childhood, it would just take few moments for us to just forget it. But now, as we are growing, it takes longer. So we forgive people and let go for our peace and not for others. The third day, it will be about goodness. Goodness in everything around us, goodness in ourselves, goodness in the situation, goodness in the gratitude. What we are doing, about the grace, about all the blessings in our life. When we look and focus on things which are greater in our life, we also start manifesting the same things in our life. So, looking at the goodness is one of the important things which will lead us to a peaceful and a healing heart. So now that I have briefed you about all the 3 days, let's get started with our first day. And today, being my first day, I welcome all of you. And I would like to know if you all are committed, then please put comment in the comment window to know that you are committed to attend all the three series. I commit that I will deliver Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, the 3 days which will really help us shift our mindset. It can happen that you will say that there was no mind shift at all, but you don't know. It is there subconsciously in our mind, and it will reveal itself when the real time comes. So just surrender to the process and just believe whatever you are dreaming for is really going to come true. Now, let's start with our first day. That how are we dealing with our healing for the first day is to know our power, the power that we have within ourselves. Nowadays, what we think is that we get power from somewhere outside. But no, that is not the case. All the power that we need is already inside us. And for this series, I just want you people to shut down your cognitive mind and just go with the flow. Because you know what? I always say this that when your heart intelligence is becoming greater than your head intelligence, that is when our growth starts. Because our logical mind always finds reasons. It tries on keeping us taking reasons. And once we have this thing in our mind, our mind starts getting evidences. If I believe that I cannot do this video, my mind will start finding evidences for that. But if I train my mind to say that, okay, I can do this, it will help me to get the evidences around what I can do. So it's all about our mind. And secondly, all the resources which we need to heal our heart are already with us, within us. We just need to shell off those layers which are not allowing us to connect to ourselves. During this, what happens is that when we get something what we want to do, our mind starts giving us reasons, the reasons that makes us feel that I cannot do this. What you need to do is you need to tell your mind, you need to train your mind by saying I am bigger than my thoughts. Let's every one of us do together. Keep your hand on your heart and say, I am bigger than my thoughts. All the thoughts which are harassing you, tell them, I am bigger than my thoughts. I want you all to repeat this to yourself as many times as possible today and for coming 7 days to see the shift we are expecting. When we say I am bigger than my thoughts, the thoughts also realize this. Yeah, see, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, क्योंकि when हमने जन्म लिया था तो हमें सारे रिसोर्सेज जो चाहिए थे वो मिले हुए ही थे. डू यू टेल योर हार्ट बीट, चल चल हार्ट जल्दी से बीट कर, हाथ रख के देख लो हार्ट बीट हो रहा है ना, हो रहा है ना. तो जो भी चीज़ें हमको चाहिए, ब्रीदिंग, ऑक्सीजन, our heart working, everything is working in a autopilot mode. And same are our thoughts which we have trained. So once we train them that we are bigger than all the thoughts that we have, the power of us increases. And then this also starts moving on a autopilot mode. Here, I would like to you to do a small practical exercise. I want you all to close your eyes and keep your hand on your heart. Yes. If you all are set, let's start. Keep your hand on your heart and close your eyes. Breathe in, a deep breath in, and a deep breathe out. The next deep breath you take in confidence. Breathe in confidence. Let go of all the fears. Breathe in awakening. Let go of all the doubts you have in yourself. One more deep breath in. Breathe in all the positivity and let go all the negativity around you. Hold for a silence. Yes, now let's do this exercise. Now that we have breathed in the confidence, let's go back to one of the worry that we have. Imagine whatever is right now making you worry is not letting you go into your power. That one thought might be I am not good enough, मैं नहीं कर सकती, मुझसे नहीं हो सकता ये चीज़, अच्छा ये मुझे आता ही नहीं. All these thoughts, let's imagine a balloon and start putting all these thoughts into that balloon. I have this balloon and now I am imagining myself to put this thought of negativity that I can't do this. I am not good enough. It is difficult for me. I am not meant for this. There are no resources which can help me. He hurted me. It's because of them. They told me something. Let's put all of these thoughts in this balloon. Imagine this balloon getting bigger and bigger with all our thoughts filled in. Yes, now it is big enough. And yeah, my heart feels lighter when I have given all these burdens of these thoughts to this balloon. Let this balloon now go and fly in the air. See it going far, far away from your sight. It's going high, high, high up there. Yes. Now, just imagine all your worries are being taken by this balloon. And now tell yourself, repeat with me, I release all the negativities and the thoughts which don't serve me anymore. I Decide to release, and I have released with this balloon all the thoughts which no more serve me, all the talks, all the past stories which no more serve me. Yes, take deep breaths and repeat this to yourself. Say out loud if you want to say, I release. I release all these thoughts which no more serve me. Say yourself that I am bigger than my thoughts. I am bigger than my thoughts. Keep repeating this to yourself that I am bigger than my thoughts. How is the feeling? Put down in the comment window how do you feel after doing this exercise. Yes, just trust the divine because how much ever intelligent our head is, but it cannot be more intelligent than the divine. And that is why I agree and I say that I am bigger than my thoughts and divine has a great plan ahead. Hope this exercise has helped you healing and helped you go ahead in your journey. As I said earlier too, आज के आज कोई शिफ्ट रियलाइज नहीं होगा बट ये चीज़ आपको तब याद आएगी जब इसकी ज़रूरत होगी असलियत में ज़रूरत होगी सो कीप योर हेड इंटेलिजेंस अवे and make your heart intelligence and just go with the flow. We are pure souls and trying to break free from all the thought processes and the thoughts which are not serving us. So, again, keep on repeating I am bigger than my thoughts. Have a nice day and thank you for being with me.